Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a nice parrot just sitting on a branch of a tree, and we are going to draw it with few strokes very easily. Let's see how the drawing is going. First, we are going to draw a dark stroke with a dark green. It's like a circle. Then let's draw like this in the back, and it has a beak, so beak is going to be like the deeper color. Let's put okay, dark red color. This is going to be the beak, dark red. Okay, again let's do it with the dark green color up to the bottom, as you can see here. All right, now we are going to make a little variations for the wings. It's a green shade but little bit different. It have long feathers at the end of the wings, so you can see the feathers easily. All right, let's put few strokes from the top and to the side. All right, now I'm going to put few strokes here on the head from the back. Okay, and also it has some feathers in the tail, as you can see, to the tail. All right, you can see the branches, so I'm going to draw the branches. And another extension here, extensions on the other side. Let's draw the bottom of the branches, deeper shade, and the top we're going to leave it for the good shading. All right, so this is the back part. For the front part, let's put some blue color, light blue. Light blue on this side. As you can see that the drawing is going to be nice, and this is very easy. I have shown you all the steps here. Please follow the instructions and do practice at home, and the drawing is going to be better. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Please subscribe the channels and put the bell icons on so that you don't miss any updates. Stay with Blue Hand Drawings. Thank you so much. Have a good day.